Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to enable new snap layouts with different variants in Windows 11 build 25300. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Now, download the Vive tool from the link given in the description. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator and execute the following commands. There are 4 different variants of this feature, so I'll be executing the commands one by one, and will also show you the changes. After executing the command, restart your PC, or Windows Explorer, in order to see the change. And now, you will have the snap layout appear a bit faster. With the second variant, you'll have snap this window title and app icon in the snap layout. With the third variant, you'll have snap this window title and app icon in the snap layout, and which will be noticeably faster than before. With the fourth variant, you'll have the same as the default variant, but opens quicker. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.